In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to fix web hosting not showing in GoDaddy. The first thing you need to do is to check your web hosting and domain status. To do this, sign into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the My Products page. Once you're there, scroll down to the Web Hosting or Managed WordPress Hosting section. Expand this list to view your current hosting plan. If you see that your plan status is listed as Set Up, this means that you have not completed the initial setup process. In that case, click on the Setup button and follow the on-screen instructions. If, however, your status shows up as Suspended, go to your subscriptions page and look for any outstanding balances that may have triggered the suspension. It is also important to check the expiry date of your domain in the Domain section to ensure it's still valid. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to check and update your domain's name servers. These are vital for directing visitors to your hosting and need to be configured correctly. This is especially important if you purchased your domain and hosting at different times or from different providers. From your My Products page, navigate to the domains list and click on Manage next to your domain name. Once you're in the domain settings, find the Name Servers section. Your name servers should be set to GoDaddy's default name servers if you are using their hosting. If you are using a different host, they should point to the other provider's name servers. If anything is wrong, hit Change, update them, and be patient, as it might take up to 48 hours for these changes to take effect across the internet. Next, you need to check your DNS records. If your name servers are correct, but the domain is still not directing visitors to your hosting, it might be that your A record needs to be updated to point to your hosting's IP address. To do this, find the A record in your domain's DNS management settings. Usually, the host of the A record is the @ symbol. Check the value field to make sure it points to your hosting IP address. If you need to find your hosting IP address, head back to your My Products page, go to your web hosting section, click Manage, and find it in the server overview. If you need to make changes, update it with the correct IP address and save. In some cases, the problem could be as simple as cache interference. Your web browser could be showing you a cached version of a parked domain page instead of the live site. To resolve this issue, clear your web browser's cache and cookies. Plus, if you're using a content delivery network service, don't forget to clear its cache as well. The final step, if your hosting is still not appearing after undergoing these steps, is to get in touch with GoDaddy's customer support directly for assistance. They should be able to help you resolve the problem.